Hands held high with a prayer so sweet. In unity we find we're truly complete. No more burdens now, just the light of day. Walk in this path where the shadows fade away. Grace upon